In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive chats in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tuck away old conversations so your workspace feels clean and focused without losing anything important. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser and heading to your main chat screen. On the left side, you'll see the sidebar where all your recent conversations live. This is your running history of chats, and it can get crowded over time. Archiving is perfect for tidying up. It hides a conversation from your main list, but keeps it safely stored so you can bring it back later if you need to. It's different from deleting, which permanently removes the chat. Think of archiving like moving a file into a storage box, not throwing it away. Now, choose the conversation you want to archive from the list on the left. Move your mouse over that conversation. As you hover, a small three-dot icon appears, usually to the right of the chat title. If you don't see it at first, try hovering a bit more precisely over the chat name or give it a brief moment. The icon appears when ChatGPT detects your pointer over that row. Click the three-dot icon. A small menu will open with a few options related to that specific conversation. From that menu, select Archive. The moment you choose Archive, the conversation will disappear from your main sidebar list. That's your confirmation that the archive worked. You haven't lost the chat. You've simply moved it out of sight so your active list stays manageable. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Work at a comfortable window size so the sidebar and icons display clearly. On a very narrow window, elements can feel cramped. Move the pointer slowly over the chat title to trigger the menu icon reliably. And remember, archiving is non-destructive. It's a great option if you're not ready to delete a conversation, but don't want it front and center. If you ever need that chat again, you can access it later from your archived section and pick up right where you left off. That's all there is to it. Open ChatGPT, look at your chat list on the left, hover over the conversation you want, click the three-dot icon, and choose Archive. It's a quick habit that keeps your workspace neat and your focus on the conversations that matter most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner ChatGPT sidebar.